Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can fix the slow upload speed for your backups in the iDrive application. So let us get started. So guys, if you're planning to backup relevant files and folders from your device to your cloud backup on iDrive using the iDrive application and are experiencing slow upload speed, this is how you can fix this. Launch the iDrive application. You can't fix this through the web application. You will need to access the desktop application installed on your device of iDrive here. So what you want to do, guys, inside the iDrive application on the desktop is head over from backup to settings here. And here inside the general tab, scroll down till you get to this feature, upload multiple file chunks simultaneously. So if you'd like to speed this up, for instance, and upload multiple files and folders to your backup at the same time, guys, and not wait for each one of them to get uploaded one by one, simply enable it here. Select this box, checkbox to the left, and that is going to allow multiple uploads simultaneously. However, guys, bear in mind that for this method, of course, you will need to have a pretty stable, reliable, and fast internet connection. Like for example, I don't know the speed, guys, but make sure that you have a fast and reliable and stable internet connection to use this feature. And that's basically it. Don't forget to click into save changes here. And there you go. This is going to allow you to upload multiple files to your backup at once, guys. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.